Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp calling issue on Android phone. If your WhatsApp voice and video calls are not connected, not ringing, call drop, or you can't hear the other person, then this video is for you. So let's get started the video. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. First of all, make sure your internet is working properly. WhatsApp calls need a strong and stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and see which one works better. Also turn on airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it back off. Solution 2. Restart your phone. This sounds simple, but it really works. Just restart your Android phone. Many temporary bugs get fixed automatically after a reset. Solution 3. Allow WhatsApp permissions. Sometimes WhatsApp calls doesn't work because permissions are not allowed. Go to Settings app. Now scroll down and tap on App Management. Then tap App List. Search for WhatsApp and tap on WhatsApp in the search list. Now tap Permissions. Make sure microphone, camera, phone and contacts are all allowed. Solution 4. Turn off battery saver mode. Battery saver can block WhatsApp from working in the background. Go to Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Battery. Here tap on Advanced option. Then tap Battery Saver. Here turn off battery saver mode. Solution 5. Disable data restriction for WhatsApp. If background data is restricted, calls may fail. Go to Settings app. Then scroll down and tap on App Management. Now tap on App List. Then search for WhatsApp and tap on WhatsApp in the search list. Tap Mobile Data and Wi-Fi. Enable background data and unrestricted data usage. Solution 6. Update WhatsApp. Using an old version of WhatsApp can cause calling issues. Open Play Store app. Here search for WhatsApp. If an update is available, update it immediately. Solution 7. Check date and time settings. Wrong date and time can also cause call connection problems. Go to Settings app. Scroll all the way down and tap on System. Then tap Date and Time. Enable automatic date and time. And that's it for today's video. After following these steps, your WhatsApp calling issue on Android should be fixed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Android tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.